Alright, hello guys, welcome again to this video. In this method I will show you guys how to convert your website into an application. So what we are going to do is going to go to our browser. I'm going to use Chrome browser. You open your browser, the surface. After you open your browser, it will open. Once your browser open, you come to the search bar and search for www appsgija.com, and once you load it, the surface will open like this. If you want to sign up with this option, you can, but as for me, I will use my Google. I will click the continue with Google. I'll click there and wait for it to load. It will bring out my Google account in my device. So what I need to do, I'll come to this Samuel edit, this my second, and click there. Then wait for it to load. After it has loaded, I'll click on continue. Once you click on continue, the surface will automatically open like this. So what you need to do, this all the surface, this all the process. So the normal thing there is you come to this, you have no apps, create your first app now. So you click here. In case this place is not showing, this place, you come here and you click here. But as for me, it's showing here already. I'll click here, create now, and I'll wait for it to load. So this process here, what you need to do is you come to this website. Let's start, make your great app. So what you need to do, I'm going to go to my browser to check for the website that I want to convert to an app. So what I need to do, I've already in the website, is my Elder Brother website. Yes, the product website. I'll come here, then I'll copy the website link. After I've copied the website link, I'll come to my website to continue the process. Then I will paste the website link here. Once I paste the website link, I will also put the website name, Proda. So I'm going to use my email. Here is my email that I'm going to use. You see, it is samuel120@gmail.com. Then you click on next. After you click on next, you wait for it to load to this surface. They'll ask you to go and upload your icon, which is your image that you like to use. So let me just say what you would like to use as your logo. So I have it already. If you don't have your own, you can go and search based on what you want to, based on the type of website that you want to convert to an app. So what I'll need to do, I'll click on this upload icons and wait for it. Yes, here is what I'm going to choose, Proda. Click on done. As you see, it has entered. Click on next. After I click on next, okay, all right. This process is a very attractive process to follow up. So now in this website, if you want your WhatsApp, or if you want to paste your WhatsApp link, you can come here and put your WhatsApp number, welcome message, and the button text. But for me, I'm not going to do all that, but in another of my video, I'm going to do that. This website, I just want to create it and show it to someone. So that is it. I'll not put all this because I haven't gotten the person details. Okay, although I have the person details, but it's not permitted from the person. Thank you guys. Let's get back again. Okay, you want to include Facebook, you can just go to the Facebook, to the person page, and copy the link and paste here. Or you can just go to X, any other social media that the person have. You can go ahead and paste their links. But for me, we are not going to do that in this video. Maybe in another video I am going to do that. Okay guys, thank you. Have you seen feature? Add icon for your app. Okay, let me just take you to the process. This website itself, it allows you to create your, it also allows you to install iOS application. So that is just the process. But for me, have you seen app layout? Have you seen will I need button? Let me just set slider. Okay, this slider is when you want to open the app. If I choose this slider, is when you want to open the app will be going direct. But this one, the app will first open and show you the bottom menu first. So what you need to do, action bar. No, I don't need all this, so I'll move to next. So this process is okay. Here is the process to plug in. Add icon for your app. I'll need to come to this download. As I come to this download, I'll just wait for it to load. So just wait. Have you seen download an icon for your app? Have you seen? You can download. We use it for both iOS or Android. Have you seen? That is to tell you that you can download the iOS version too. And what I'm going to use, have you seen this website? You can use it for free and you can pay for it. So if you want to pay for it, you will be able to use this download iOS, because it's a premium process. Hope you understand. It's a premium process. So I'll come to this download APK. Okay, you wait for it to download. The surface will be showing like this. Have you seen? It's downloading. Your app is building. Have you seen? The surface will be open like this. Then what you need to do, you need to come to this process and click on download. Have you seen? It has downloaded already. So the process, what you need to do, you come up now that you have downloaded, and do you want to install this app? You click on install. You wait for it to install. You click. Have you seen? You can open or you can do done. Okay, let's minimize. Here is the app. Have you seen? Alright guys, have you seen? The app has been downloaded and installed on our device. What you need to do, you click on the app and it will open. Have you seen? Have you seen? Here's the app. The app has opened already. Thank you guys for staying true. Please first of all, before I close, please, this is a website which you can order all this. Have you seen? So please just go through it. Have you seen? This website where you can order for your smartwatches and a lot of stuff like that to yourself. And the most important thing in this website is you have to pay first. So what am I trying to say? You have to pay on delivery. What I mean is, whenever this product get to you, whenever this product get to you, you pay money and get the product. Thank you guys. Just go through the website. Thank you for staying true.